In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up audio in Canva. If you've got a clip that feels a little slow, or you're trying to fit narration into a shorter time frame, adjusting speed right inside Canva is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening Canva on your browser or in the app. From the home screen, create a new video project. You can choose a standard video size or the format that best fits your platform. This opens the editor with a canvas in the center and, most importantly for us, a timeline along the bottom. Next, head down to the video timeline. This is where you'll organize and control how your media plays. If your timeline isn't visible, click the timeline toggle at the bottom to expand it so you can see your clips clearly. Now add your audio file. If it's on your computer, use the Uploads panel to bring it in, then drag the audio onto the timeline. If you already have audio in your project, just make sure it's placed where you want it to start. You'll see the audio appear as a waveform beneath your video track. With your audio in place, click the video clip on your Canva timeline. Selecting the video is important because the speed control is tied to the clip itself. If you don't see the right options in the toolbar, double-check that the video portion is highlighted, not just the audio. Look at the top toolbar for the speed icon. It usually looks like a small speedometer or it might show a label like 1x. If you can't spot it right away, hover over the icons until you see its speed, and make sure a clip is selected, as the option only appears when a clip is active. Use the slider to increase the playback speed. Dragging to the right will speed things up to 2x. As you adjust, the change applies to both the video and its attached audio, keeping everything in sync. Make small moves and preview as you go so you can land on a speed that sounds natural and matches your content. If you go too far, simply slide back toward 1x to return to normal speed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.